I've titled this channel The Power to Get Wealth, which is right out of Deuteronomy, and it's a phrase from the Bible, how God teaches us the power to get wealth. And that's stuff I want to talk about more in the future. But really, if you're somebody like me that has struggled at different times in direction, what direction to go in life or how to do business, then and then this stopping and starting, when do you persist and when do you give up? I challenge you to just don't do that in your own strength. Don't do it in your own power, but take it to God and listen. And you know what? Prayer and listening, talking to God is a bit of a learning experience, just like learning to communicate with the people in your life. And you might not get it right the first time around. It might take you years to begin to hear the voice of God. At least it's taken me years. But as you practice, you're going to get better. And if the God of the universe is who I believe he is, his heart is for us to hear his voice, and he wants to engage with us in a way that we can hear and understand his voice. And so he wants to speak in a way that you can understand. And so, if you're struggling today to figure out, should I just keep persisting in this direction, or do I give up and do I change course? Do I quit my business and start another one? Or do I quit this direction and go in a different direction? When do I pivot? The only answer I can give you is do it with God, because that has given me more peace through the years, even in the challenge of it, than anything else.